sober's a hard thing to do. The pain and the fear we go through. But booze kick my ass, I've upgraded to grass. Being green's more fun than being blue. I quit drinking in 1983. It's also when I quit sleep. PTSD and anxiety I can resist instead of sheep. Support groups, yoga, meditation and therapy helped to a degree. After 25 years of sobriety, it still hurt me. A doctor told me to try THC. I told her that's a 12-step crime. But now with less stress and more creativity, I'm staying sober one foot at a time. Pot's not cocaine, opioids or wine. It's a flower that makes me feel fine. Those strains beat my brain, weed eases my pain. Staying sober one thought at a time. It's not an escape from reality, and I've never OD'd on weed. Yes, it's a gateway to a good night's sleep, and better inside him to be. Cannabinoids bring on the joy, they enable my recovery. I smell like a skunk, but you sure ain't me drunk. Never say green and sweet. Pot's not cocaine, opioids or wine. It's a flower that makes me feel fine. Lost strains feed my brain, weed eases my pain. Stay sober one thought at a time.
Pot's not for everybody.
That just means there's more for me.
I never woke up in Tijuana with a strange dude after smoking marijuana.
Yeah, that doesn't happen. I don't back out or pass out. There's no doubt decriminalize. Legalize with the weed. Free the weed. Yeah. Well, that's a new song. We just did a new song right there. We created that for a better tomorrow and a funnier today. Yeah, free the weed. I'm Hanala Segal. This is Comedy Wellness. Keep singing. You're never too old